Okay. Hi, I'm Jan, and I'm here to teach you the proper way of performing the forehand topspin service. Before we go to the skill, let's talk about the terms first. Okay. First up, what is a topspin? A topspin is induced on the ball when the racket hits it at a diagonal motion, or it's a forward and upward motion. This then induces a forward rotation of the ball, which gives it a quicker movement than without giving it a spin. Now, the topspin is usually used as an attack skill in table tennis. Okay, now here we have an example of a topspin attack as performed by my good friend JD. There we go. Okay. There are two ways of hitting a ball with your racket. The forehand, which is at the palm of your hand, and the backhand, which is basically the back of your hand. If you're left-handed like me, you hold the racket like this, and this is your forehand, and this is your backhand. And when you're right-handed, well, it's just opposite way. The forehand topspin serve is a gross, discrete, closed skill as it uses large muscle groups. It has a definite start and end, and usually the forehand topspin serve has only one outcome, which is to volley the ball from your side of the court to your opponent's court in one bounce only. Now that we're done with the terms, on we go to the skill!
Okay, now, as we can see, JD will perform the skill as a whole, and later on, we will divide the skill into three parts, mainly the preparation phase, the execution phase, and the follow-through phase. As a whole, we can divide it now into three phases. Okay, first up is the preparation phase, wherein the critical elements are the ball toss and the proper racket angle. In ball tossing, you must throw the ball at approximately 6 inches in height, nothing lower. The next part is a proper racket angle at which you will make contact with the ball. About a 45-degree angle is an optimum angle at which to hit the ball with. Too open and the ball will just fly upwards, and too close you will get your ball stuck in the net. The next phase is the execution phase, wherein the racket arm is swung backwards and weight is loaded on the back leg or the dominant leg. Then, simultaneously swinging the racket towards the ball at the diagonal motion with the arm slightly bent and clipped near the body for more control, together with lateral trunk rotation and the shifting in weight onto the front leg. The wrist is flicked to apply a stronger spin onto the ball. The shifting in weight is applied because you shift your weight from the back towards the front to pass the weight of your body onto the ball. Now the last phase of this skill is the follow-through phase, where right after the contact with the ball, the racket continues to go up at about level with the shoulders or above, and then returning to the original stance so as to receive the ball if ever your opponent has hit it towards you. Here are some common mistakes players usually encounter when performing the forehand topspin serve. Now, always remember that playing games in sports are for the sole purpose of enjoying yourself. Doesn't matter if you're good at it or not. It matters if you gain knowledge doing it and enjoy it. Plus, it's so much better to have a friend playing with you or teaching you how to do things while playing sports. Never forget that practice makes perfect, and never get frustrated when things don't go your way. Just have to learn from your mistakes and keep going. That's how we perform the forehand topspin serve. Thanks for watching.